Welcome. Today, we'll be exploring Ansible Tower, a powerful solution that simplifies IT automation for organizations of all sizes. Whether you're managing a small team or a complex enterprise infrastructure, Ansible Tower provides the tools to automate processes efficiently and securely. Let's dive in to understand what makes it indispensable for modern IT operations. Before going ahead, I would request please subscribe to my channel for more videos related to Linux administration, VMware administration, various cloud administration, DevOps tools, and many more new technologies. So let's get started. Ansible Tower is a centralized management tool built on top of the Ansible automation engine. It's designed to help organizations automate their IT operations with greater control and simplicity. With its web-based interface, you can centralize your automation tasks, monitor job execution in real time, and maintain secure governance over your IT processes. As IT environments become more complex, Ansible Tower ensures that automation remains simple, scalable, and efficient. It truly acts as the hub for orchestrating automation across various platforms. Let's look at the key features that make Ansible Tower so impactful. First, it provides role-based access control, ensuring that only authorized users can execute or modify automation tasks. Next, it offers centralized inventory management, which helps track systems and environments effortlessly. With workflow automation and job scheduling, you can design multi-step processes and execute them at your desired time. You also get real-time job monitoring, which provides detailed feedback on task execution. And lastly, with its robust REST API, you can seamlessly integrate Ansible Tower into your existing systems and tools for a complete automation ecosystem. These features make it a comprehensive tool for any IT team. Now, why should you choose Ansible Tower? First, it simplifies automation with its intuitive dashboard and visual workflows. You don't need to be a command line expert to use it. Second, it enhances security by enabling role-based access and auditing capabilities, ensuring compliance with organizational policies. It also improves collaboration within teams, allowing members to share and reuse automation scripts effectively. Furthermore, it scales effortlessly, making it suitable for both small and large IT environments. Lastly, Ansible Tower is incredibly flexible, adapting to virtually any IT use case. Whether it's provisioning, application deployment, or configuration management, Ansible Tower is versatile, with use cases across multiple domains. For instance, it's great for automating repetitive IT tasks like system patching or software installations. In the realm of cloud computing, it's a powerful tool for multi-cloud management, allowing you to provision and manage resources across AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. It's also a favorite in CI/CD pipeline orchestration, automating tasks like code builds, tests, and deployments for faster and more reliable software delivery. Organizations use it for security and compliance automation, enforcing policies such as system configurations or firewall rules. Lastly, it's invaluable in disaster recovery scenarios, automating backups and failover processes to ensure business continuity. These examples highlight the broad applicability and value Ansible Tower brings to modern IT operations. In summary, Ansible Tower is not just a tool. It's an enabler of IT efficiency, security, and scalability. Whether you're aiming to reduce manual work, enhance collaboration, or scale automation to enterprise levels, Ansible Tower is the solution. Thank you for your attention, and I look forward to answering any questions you might have. Please stay tuned for more videos.